Last week, Ms. Wang followed our sales on a business trip and went to our customer site. At the site, Ms. Wang found that some customers controlled our vibratory feeder bowl, directly cutting off the power when using our SDVC 20S. This practice is very wrong. Such a power-off method will damage the components inside our controller and reduce its life of our controller. We have two ways to start and stop externally. One is a proximity switch, and the other is a relay or PLC. It is particularly important to remind you that our controller only supports the 12-volt NPN wiring method. The first is to use our proximity switch to solder the corresponding 10, 11, and 12 corners to achieve external control start and stop. The second is to use our relay to solder the 10 and 12 corners of our DB plug, which can also achieve external control start and stop. If you have any questions about the controller and vibratory feeder bowl, please leave a message to Ms. Wang in the comment area, and I will solve them one by one.